Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Bastille puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Rombol. Difficulty level of the Bastille puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove the pieces out of the box and then reassemble them. This puzzle has 7 identical parts and they are trapped inside the frame. It looks like the parts were placed inside the frame and then the frame was glued around the parts, since at the first glance there is no way out. There are 6 openings inside the frame, and if you try to remove the parts through one of them, like you can see, I can place one of the pieces close to this opening, but that is how much I can push it out. I can try to push this piece out through other opening, but again it goes out only that much, and it seems like totally impossible. But this puzzle is possible, and there is only one unique solution to this puzzle. If you are a fan of Dr. Volker Latusek puzzles, you know that if Volker created some puzzle, that means that the solution will be really unique and it will be really challenging. His puzzles are always having this nice aha moment, so you will spend quite a lot of time trying to remove the parts until you will find how to remove the first piece, and then it will be not that hard to remove the rest. But that is only half of the challenge, since you have to put everything back inside the frame to complete the solution. If you like the Bastille puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.